Headshot, we go knock it if you say 6.
Fuck prezzi, I don't mean it.
Yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only per pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. Me no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this. Alright, so this announcement is for producers, artists and engineers. So great news is that I will now be reviewing artist songs. So if you're interested and if you're a manager and you want me to review your artist song, go to the about section on my channel and you will see the prices and you will see my email. Send me an email and just let me know if you're interested. Alright, so today we want to talk about Medz Boss being arrested by police in Trinidad since Sunday. You see me, popular Trinidadian Instagram page MyUb posted it on their Instagram. So Medz Boss has been arrested since Sunday without any charge, and naturally police can detain you for up to 48 hours before you appear before a judge. It can turn out to be gang related charges due to the recent flare-up in gang violence between the 6 and the 7s. Medz Boss did release a song this in Wacko, Kalonji, Prince Swanny and everybody that says 6. You see me, and that song is titled Opp Killa. So any 6 member, everybody, them say it in the song, if you support 6, if you represent 6, just know say a dirt. 6 members have a 7 hand sign with a gun hand sign shooting the 7. And 7 members have a 6 hand sign with a gun hand sign shooting the 6. So the man them say a dirt for dirt right now. So most people are basically saying that them wish this is in connection with the killing of Wacko. And then you have some other set of people saying this might be in connection with some underage girls and all these things, suggesting that Medz Boss, you know, like to fool around with underage girls allegedly, because we can't come here and say anything concrete without us knowing for certain with certainty, you know. I mean, say I saw it go. So if anybody want comment and let me know if anything go like that, then you are free to do so. For now, we await details regarding Medz Boss arrest, and when we get update, then just know so we're gonna come bring it to you and we're gonna talk about it. So with Wacko's death, there has been growing tensions between the 6 and the 7s and the 8s, you see me, and even Z-Tech to Prince Swanny camp, because remember say Plumpy Boss did come out and this Prince Swanny and this the 6 and this everybody, you see me, and now the thing I get even more serious, and Prince Swanny have an unreleased song dissing back Plumpy Boss and even dissing back prezzi. So we await that song until it released, then we're gonna do a review on it. Also, me review Byron Messiah, me review Prince Swanny, me review Kalonji, me review Wacko. Just let me know if you don't want me to review Medz Boss, Plumpy Boss, Cmr 6 or any other artists from the other camp them. Let me know in the comments if you don't want me to review them artists there, and Uno saying it in the comments are gonna make me know say Uno watch the video down to this point, and may have people who want to see this content, you see me, so we can split justice, because me review all of the 6 artists them song and the 8 artists them song, but also want to split justice and review the 7 artists them song also, you see me, because I remember say me not choose no side, and music me choose and music me say, me not choose no man side or no group or anything like that. I just the music, right, to say there. You see me, if you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video them, me know I'm gonna like it. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.